Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get call option on TikTok. Let's get started. First, open TikTok on your mobile phone and go to your profile. Now, tap the three lines in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Notifications and scroll down until you find the Voice Calls option. Tap on Voice Calls and set it to Everyone. If you still don't see the call option, go back to Settings and Privacy and scroll down until you find Help Center. Tap on Help Center, then look for the option to Report a Problem. If you can't find a solution, tap Need More Help. You'll see a text box where you can send a message directly to TikTok support. Explain your problem clearly. For example, tell them that the call option is not available on your TikTok account, and then send your message. TikTok may provide some troubleshooting steps or instructions. Follow the steps they give you and check your account again. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful TikTok tutorials.